What I'm about to speak about right now is not something I usually speak about. It's not something that comes up in conversation, but I think that it's something that needs to be known and understood on a broader scale. I'm gonna speak about this more often in different future videos, but I want this to be the first one to kickstart what is this journey, understanding where we are right now and where things stand. It's 2025 and people are unaware of how far we are as a people, not a country, globally as a people. I'm not gonna announce what I'll speak about, but as I'm speaking about it, you're gonna know what it's about. And I'll be reading for the most part. And I don't think I've got much to say about this. I just think it's something to inform you about. So let me go in and start. In the 1990s, South Africa doubled its annual rainfall through cloud seeding programs conducted during storms. In 2008, China diverted rain from Beijing for the Olympics using rockets, artillery, and aircraft. In 2010, Thailand succeeded in mitigating drought by seeding storms using aircraft-based hygroscopic seeding in convective clouds. The storms showed a 159% larger volume and 72% wider area coverage. The UAE has a cloud seeding program that uses hygroscopic flares fired from aircrafts to enhance rainfall in a region that gets less than 100 milliliters of rain annually. Now, in April 2024, Dubai suffered floods from heavy rainfall, storms. It was all over the news. Conspiracies linked the events to the cloud seeding programs ran by the country. But according to their meteorologists, that was just extreme weather attributed to climate change and not cloud seeding. In my opinion, both sides could be right at this point. They both valid. Now, in all the countries I brought up, why did I end with Dubai? Yes, it was the most recent, but at the same time, it's one of the most vivid memories we have of a negative side effect event from what we call weather manipulation, weather change, climate change. And it made me think about what are the negative effects of cloud seeding. So let's go into that. One side effect, one that stands out, would be chemical contamination. A common agent used in cloud seeding is silver iodide, which is toxic and accumulates in soil and water every time it's used. It even causes skin discoloration in people. Another negative effect of cloud seeding would be hydrological disruption, which breaks down into different subsections. The ones I'll go into would be precipitation redistribution, where cloud seeding may steal moisture from downwind areas. Another subsection would be flooding and erosion, where seeding pushes clouds beyond their natural capacity, causing rapid runoff that overwhelms drainage systems, like in Dubai. The third major negative effect would be ozone depletion, where silver iodide releases iodine radicals that break down stratospheric ozone, potentially worsening UV radiation exposure. And the last negative effect I have here would be transboundary conflicts, where the reality is there's no international treaties that regulate weather modification. So disputes over water theft from neighboring countries could spark conflict, and conflict between countries leads to war. Human technology and human advancement will continue forward and will take from nature whatever it needs to. The thing is, though, we've seen that every civilization, whether it's the Mayans, the Aztecs, or the Egyptians, the old Egyptians, every civilization at some point faces the wrath of nature. We are mining gold, we are mining the ocean, the land, we are even eating the what's this thing, the fruits, veggies, and livestock. We have now begun large scale mining of what would be the weather, the sky, weather modification. Just like the dead zone areas where mines used to be, and the dead zone areas where farms used to be, the sky is going to reflect that humans were there if things continue. That is it from my side. It was short, it was straight to the point. I don't have much to say on this because, like I said, it's gonna be a series of mine. I will keep touching on this, going back to it, because it's important that it becomes a talking point, a regular thing that is discussed. Weather manipulation exists. It's been existing for over 2 decades now. As for the public access to weather modification, that's a different story. And the public education of it is something else entirely. We need to stay informed as people. You need to keep yourself as knowledgeable and as informed as possible. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching. Cheers. I'm out.